My affirmation formula revealed today. Watch this. So many of us get absolutely inspired by wonderful quotes, oracle cards, readings, intuition cards, affirmations that are already rewritten for us. And they are absolutely amazing and they are very powerful for helping you connect with your own intuition. Yes, but our mind and body must work together. And in order for our body to believe our mind and our mind to believe our body, we need to craft and create our own personal affirmation that works for us. Now, I know you've heard this, but one of the key questions that I get asked a lot is how exactly do I create an affirmation? I'm finding it really hard to write one for myself. And then you end up going and looking on Google and finding other ones to help give you some inspiration, and then you might change a few words, and that's how we first start. So today I'm going to break down the exact formula that I use, which I have helped my clients use, and honestly, their transformations have been weeks. Okay, rather than feeling stuck, they've started applying these affirmations. They've started applying them to the exercises that I've been showing them how to do for their somatic healing, which I'm showing you over the next 12 days, a set of exercises for you to do for yourself. And they see unbelievable results in terms of rewiring this and helping them feel more positive, and stop those unwanted words that we just want to quieten down and stop so we can move forward and stop feeling stuck. So this is the formula. We always start with I can release, because when we're doing mind and body work in somatic healing, we're releasing stuff that we don't want to hold on to anymore, and it isn't serving us. So we start with I can release. Okay, so write that down and pause this video when you need to. I can release. Okay, brackets. Okay, this is the first part of your formula. Input your release wish. So just put those in the brackets for now. Input, release, wish. So this would be, what is it that you want to release? The wish. What do you wish to release for yourself? And that's what you put in the brackets here. And I'll show you an example in a moment as to how it works. Okay, after the brackets, comma, including, I will write this down in the comments as well for you later, including, now a new set of brackets, part 2 of the formula. The unwanted habit or behavior that you wish to change, no matter what it is. And it can be as simple as thinking negatively about yourself. Okay? Doesn't matter. You put that in there. Plus, it's okay to, now this is the third part of your formula, new set of brackets, confirmation of truth, close brackets. Okay, I'm just going to read that through one more time for you. And again, watch this back on the replay. And also in the comments, write down, let me know what affirmation you came up with. I'd love to know what they are. So I can release. Input your release wish, including unwanted habit or behavior that you want to stop. Plus, it's okay to, confirmation of truth, your truth. Because how many times are we told that we should be doing something by other people? Those people who feel like they're being helpful and giving us advice, they're working from their confirmation of truth, the truth that works for them. That does not necessarily mean that it's working for us. Okay, so what's your truth? So I've put this down in an example. It was an affirmation that I was working on before. As a content creator, in coaching, putting stuff online, I was really holding myself back from the pressure of constantly improving and providing more and more and more and more and more, and getting overwhelmed and burned out. So I wrote this. I can release what no longer serves me, thinking I'm not good enough, including the pressure to constantly give more content. It's okay to go slowly at my own pace. So can you hear how personal that is to me, because I was really struggling at the time of believing that I wasn't good enough. That was the wish that I wanted to release. Constantly providing content all the time, burning myself out over and over and over and over. It was the habit of falling into the pit of constantly giving. And my own truth, reaffirming to myself that it's okay to go at my pace to help me slow down. And that is a very specific affirmation that when I say it to myself, my body was responding. If your body isn't instantly feeling more calm and like, oh my God, like, if your body responds, you know you've hit the correct words. If you know that you're feeling that that affirmation is working for you instantly, they're the right words for you and they're going to really help. So continuing our 12 days, we're on day 4 right now. We've done some great exercises, day 1, 2, and 3. For day 5, 6, and 7, and 8, we're going to do some amazing practices that we can then use our new authentic affirmation to do those exercises with. So actually do this exercise today and come up with your own personalized affirmation so you can use that sentence for the next few days coming forward. And I hope this has really helped you if you always have felt that actually you just have no idea how to build, write, and craft your own personalized affirmation. So good luck. Let me know what it is, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Take care.